Hey guys, welcome back to SaaS Junction. Today we will be talking about a video editing software that's changing the game with its unique approach to editing. It's called Descript. This AI-powered tool lets you edit your videos by simply editing text like a document. It transcribes your video, lets you clone your voice, and it even has a feature which makes your voice crisp and crystal clear, which we will talk about in some time. Let's dive in and see how well it actually works. Descript is a simple, easy to use audio and video editing platform with a unique twist. It allows you to edit your video by simply editing the text transcript instead of the video itself. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's already here and it's changing the way people edit videos. Just create a new project and drag your video file. The video will be automatically transcribed on the left hand side. Using Descript is simple. Just drag and drop a video file onto your Descript project. After a quick seconds, you will have a word for word transcript on the left hand side of everything you have said in the video. Descript also provides basic video editing tools, but the real power lies in editing the text. So let's see Descript in action. Hey guys, welcome back to SaaS Junction. Today we want to introduce you to a tool that will revolutionize the way you create mockups. Welcome back to SaaS Junction. Today we want to introduce you to a tool. It's called shorts.so. It's super simple. Just delete and change the text from the Descript editor. In addition to editing text, Descript can also shorten gaps between takes and remove filler words with just a few clicks. This allows you for a cleaner, more professional video without the need for tedious manual editing. Descript also offers other video editing tools like adding titles, graphics, music, and sound effects. Plus, you can easily add subtitles or caption to your videos by downloading the text as an SRT file or using the fancy caption features which we have used here, which you can see looks so elegant and so powerful.
It's going to blow your mind.
Now let's talk about the AI features in Descript. Overdub is an AI generated voice that can mimic your voice after training it with a sample of your voice. It's not 100% accurate yet, but it's close enough for a small fixes like correcting a misquoted price or replacing a word. Thank you so much for watching this. Here we have trained an overdub voice. Now let's talk about the feature which we were talking about earlier, which is the super impressive feature of Descript, which is the studio sound feature. Say goodbye to distracting background noises that detract from your audio. Studio Sound's innovative technology isolates speakers' voices and enhances audio quality while removing echo and background noise. Unlike other noise reduction and audio processing tools that apply adaptive filters or subtract sound, often leave your voice sound tiny or dampened, Studio Sound focus on preserving and enhancing the natural qualities of your voice. Studio Sound is designed to produce top-notch quality regardless of your recording environment. This powerful tool removes background noise, enhances speech, and makes your audio sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. Here you can see this simple toggle can transform your audio or video, elevating your content to the next level. So let's see the Studio Sound AI feature in Descript in action. So let's toggle the button off.
Hey guys, welcome back to SaaS Junction. Today we want to introduce you to a tool that will revolutionize the way you create mockups. It's called shorts.so, and trust me when I say it's going to blow your mind. So guys, this is shorts.so.
So guys, this is the sound with the background noise. Now let's see the power of Studio Sound by toggling the button on.
Including mobile phones, watches, and more. You can create iPhone mockups. You can also create MacBook, iMac, and there is so much more here. The tool comes with a library of pre-built layouts that users can choose to get started, but users are not limited to this option. They can also modify the layouts to suit their needs. So let's see an example. So as you can see, it's super awesome and super powerful. You can adjust the border, adjust the shadows. You can also scale and position. There is also an...
So guys, you have seen Studio Sound just transforms the voice, removes all the noise from the sound, and it makes super professional studio quality grade videos in just a single toggle. Studio Sound is designed for simplicity and ease of use. With just one click, you can instantly enhance your voice, remove background noise, room echo, and other distracting sounds. This user-friendly tool is perfect for anyone looking to improve their audio, video, or screenings. Descript makes the entire editing process much faster and more efficient. Descript is truly a game changer in the video editing world with its unique approach to editing, AI-powered features like Overdub and the powerful studio sound which you have seen. So if you are looking for a way to make your video editing process smarter, more efficient and more engaging, give Descript a try. That's it for today guys. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more software and AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching SaaS Junction and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.